Pulau Ubin! Oh my god, you're damn high. I'm compiling this into a vlog.
Just now, no, it got stuck in the mud. Okay, I'm glad that I took off my shoe though. I'm super glad I took off my shoe.
Oh, she's such a vlogger today, I love it. Yay! There's Ida there in the front.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi.
We are on the boat.
We're on a kayak.
Yes, and we're going to Pulau Ubin.
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, hi guys. So now we are actually at Pulau Ubin.
Oh yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pulau Ubin. Yeah, then we got our kayaks here and we're kayaking from Pasir Ris to Pulau Ubin. Quite fun. Yay. Hi guys, so this is our group and quite fun lah, quite fun. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
嗨，大家好，欢迎来到乌名。
哇
现在在乌名岛那里有那个 gay long， 然后那里是我们的。
大家好。
我们的。
Hi guys. So we are actually at the we're at the midpoint area. I think right now we see a lot of like fishing villages like behind Kelong. Yeah, and it's actually quite cool. Yeah, fun experience.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go to shore now. See you. Bye. Hi guys. So we are here with Rachel, and we finally reached Pulau Ubin. Yeah, the weather's still good, so I guess that's a good thing. Yay! Hi. So now we are at Pulau Ubin. Yeah. Yes, they want to be part of the vlog, so now we're doing it.
Next top model.
We're gonna buy drinks right now, so yay! We're here. You can be inside, say hi. Yay! Then we run. Okay, so now we're going back to mainland. Yay. Hi. We are on the way back. Say something. Okay, yeah, fun day lah, fun day. Yeah.
I zoom out, okay. Go.
Oh, zoom in.